So today we are going to study about physical anthropology. Physical anthropology. And that day for especially BPSC mains, (67th), right? So first we try to understand about our syllabus. Generally, when you try to look out about your syllabus or observe your syllabus, you found some complexity present in your syllabus, right? So most of a student did not understand about their syllabus, and whenever you try to study about any topic, first important thing is that we have to understand our syllabus properly. So when you try to observe about your syllabus, it has mainly 5 major topics. First topic related to human evolution, right? And theory of organic evolution. Theory of organic evolution. Second topic related to primate. Right? And third topic related to fossils. And fourth, Mendel law of inheritance. And last topic related to race. So basically we have 5 important topics in physical anthropology, right?
Yes, sir.
But if you try to look out your syllabus, you can find there are many topic and subtopic mentioned in our syllabus.
Yes, sir.
So when a student at first look out their syllabus, they feel that physical anthropology is tough,
Yes, sir.
right? But really, when you will capable to understand your syllabus, you can find that you are very comfortable in physical anthropology than sociocultural anthropology, right? So when we are going to study human evolution, and here biocultural dimension that mentioned in our syllabus, biocultural dimension, right? Human evolution, biocultural dimension. So first you try to study about evolution. What do we mean by evolution? Are you understand evolution?
Yes, sir.
What is evolution?
The changes in human being.
Simply we can understand evolution referred to organic evolution in which organism evolve from simple to complex form due to change in their gene frequency, right? Because very long time after I have started offline class, right? So first you try to understand evolution means organism evolve from simple to complex form due to change in their gene frequency. Here I use that term, right? Gene frequency, because human is a organism, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the course of human evolution, there is gradual development of complexity in human structure, human body, human mind, right? But one thing you have to remember, when we study human evolution is a biocultural process. But when we study organic evolution, means when we study about evolution of other organism rather than human, so that is only biological process. So human evolution influenced by both biological factor and cultural factor. Both are important. But when you are going to study about organic evolution, means process of evolution or a mechanism of evolution. So some important factors we have remember, and we have to remember, we have to understand about mechanism of that factors, because when you are going to study about theory of organic evolution, in which we will study about Lamarckism, Darwinism, Neo-Darwinism and synthetic theory. So I will discuss detail in each and every theories which available in our syllabus. But basically in the course of human evolution, first important factor is mutation, right? So you have to understand about the role of mutation, gene recombination, hybridization,
So mutation has happened by both type naturally or artificially.
gene flow, migration, genetic drift and natural selection, right? These are the important factors which we will study in detail, which are responsible for organic evolution,
Just as I write.
right? And synthetic theory explain the role of these factors, how these factors are responsible for organic evolution. When we will study synthetic theory, I will explain each and every thing, and through that you can understand about organic evolution, mechanism of organic evolution. And because human being is primarily an organism, so these factors are also responsible for human evolution. But human is a cultural animal also, right? So when human started making their culture and using their culture for adaptation of their environment, so that cultural factors also influence to human evolution, right? That cultural factors also influence to human evolution. So human evolution is a biocultural evolution which influenced by both biological factor and cultural factor. So we will understand that thing in detail. So first topic is that. In second topic, in primate, First thing you have to study man place in animal kingdom. That is factual, very factual. And that if you remember about an important diagram in which I will provide you man place in animal kingdom, then you can capable to write your answer. Every year BPSC asks very simple question on that topic, man place in animal kingdom, right? Then in primate we have to study about their characteristic, right? So primate has 4 members: prosimian, monkey, ape and man. Primate has 4 important members: prosimian, monkey, ape and man. All are familiar with monkey, ape and man, right? But it may be possible you are not familiar with prosimian, right?
Prosimian means
that is a very small creature, and in the course of evolution at first prosimian evolved, then monkey evolved, then ape and then man evolved. So when we are going to study about characteristics of prosimian or monkey and ape or man, or characteristics of primate, so there are some common characteristics found in prosimian, monkey, ape and man, right? Because these 4 important members are also members of mammal, right? We are mammals, so we have some mammalian characteristic. Primate is an order of Eutheria. Eutheria is subclass of mammal. So basically when you try to understand about their characteristics, you found that they have relatively developed and complex brain than any other mammals. They have stereoscopic vision or 3-dimensional vision. They have 5 digits in their hand and feet. They have grasping capacity in their hand. Their foramen and magnum position anterior. They have social behavior. They are social animal, therefore they have social behavior. So we will discuss that thing in detail. And another important thing you have also studied in that topic, that is primate behavior, that directly not mentioned in BPSC syllabus. In BPSC syllabus there is a topic mentioned, intelligence and social behavior of monkey and ape. Intelligence and social behavior of monkey and ape. So we will study that topic when we study primate behavior, right? Because primate is a social animal and therefore they have standardized social behavior, right? Because prosimian, monkey, ape and man are member of primates, so there are some similarity in their behavior also. And primatologists mainly give focus to a study about the behavior of monkey, ape and man, behavior of prosimian, monkey and ape. Primatologists mainly interested to study about the behavior of a prosimian, monkey and ape, because they try to understand about evolution of social behavior in man, in prehistoric man or fossils man. What was the behavior of our ancestor at the time of prehistory or at the time of evolution of man? So we utilize that information, and therefore some primatologists had done fieldwork in non-human primate. You can observe about discovery. You can see some important episode on Discovery Channel, how primatologists study about social behavior of primate. And an important famous primatologist, Jane Goodall, right? She has done very good study about social behavior of ape in.
She has.
She has. She is a lady. And once UPSC in 2020, UPSC has asked question about primate behavior and Jane Goodall. Right? So she has
The questions are primate behavior and
Jane Goodall.
Okay. Means sir, what?
Means she has done case study.
Okay.
You are hearing about a case study. We should mention case study in our answer.
So we have to
So
write.
she has done case study on behavior of chimpanzee from 1960. She has more than 50 years experience with observation of behavior of ape, basically behavior of chimpanzee. And on the basis of a study of behavior of chimpanzee, she said that social behavior of chimpanzee is very close to social behavior of man. So chimpanzee was the ancestor of man. Once, when we study about fossils remains, and on the basis of DNA dating, we found that chimpanzee is the closest relative of human being. Jane Goodall established that the social behavior of chimpanzee is very close to social behavior of man. So chimpanzee is also very close relative of man on the basis of analysis of their social behavior. So when you are going to study,
Sir, according to Jane Goodall,
Yeah.
she said chimpanzee is our ancestor,
yeah,
but our species is Homo sapiens.
our species is Homo sapiens, but Homo sapiens evolved from chimpanzee.
So means you can say chimpanzee is also Homo sapiens.
No, chimpanzee is not Homo sapiens. That is another species. But in the course of evolution, when we will study human evolution on the basis of fossils remains, we found that chimpanzee is our closest relative. We are Homo sapiens,
Okay.
right? So that Homo sapiens evolved earlier from chimpanzee. How we can establish that, right? Have you studied about human genome project in
Yes, sir.
your science and tech,
Yes, sir.
HGP?
Yes, sir.
So findings came from human genome project that established that 99% of genome of chimpanzee is similar to
Yes, sir.
human. So on the basis of that, chimpanzee is also our close relative or ancestor, right? So here that you can utilize the case study of Jane Goodall when you try to write your answer. I will provide that data, and that is very good because generally we will utilize case study in socio-cultural anthropology, but still we have option to utilize some important case study in physical anthropology also.
So case study also improve the answer.
Improve the quality of answer, but if you want to get more than 200 marks,
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
right, then try to collect some important case study and put that case study in particular place in your answer. Then you can achieve that target, right? So Generally, when we study about a primate, we also study about differences between ape and man. Right? Differences between ape and man. Anatomical differences between ape and man. That is very simple topic. I will dictate more than 25 points related to differences between ape and man. But once BPSC has asked a question on differences between ape and man on the basis of anatomical feature and ethological feature, right? So most of the students became confused. That question asked by BPSC in 59 exam, right? And most of a student who are not familiar with ethology, right? They only study about anatomical differences between ape and man, similarity or differences on the basis of their anatomical feature. But BPSC sometimes asks a very standard question in every section.